morning guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we are going to see the AIK and Hammarby Derby in Stockholm.
How do you say AIK?
AIK.
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 So here's me just going AIK versus Hammarby. It's Derby Day, ladies and gentlemen. Where we are right now and where Tilda's family live is in Södermalm, and apparently this area of Stockholm are traditionally Hammarby fans. So we're kind of going against the grain, but your dad is going with us and he's a big AIK fan. Yeah? What's your score prediction? I have no idea how good these teams are.
3-2 Hammarby.
Damn, I'm gonna say 0-0. Anyway,
Wow.
I'm filming this pretty much the whole vlog from now is gonna be on my iPhone because I can't take the camera into the stadium, and you know what happened to the small camera.
That was your fault.
What is this guy doing here? This guy's got to relax, bro.
Very, very far out.
Is it? I like it. It's kind of like, I don't know if you can hear me, but in Dortmund's ground where they've got the yellow wall, it's kind of like here. They've got the AIK fans on one side, the Hammarby fans beneath us, and it's kind of like they're just going to keep going backwards and forwards at one another. Do you want to set off a firework?
Yes.
Little update, I've actually had the Chelsea game on my phone. It's 0-0 right now after 25 minutes. I'm going to keep checking it as this game goes on. I'm going to change my prediction. There's no way I can come here and watch the derby and not see one of these sets of crazy fans celebrate. So I'm going to say 1-1. Boring prediction, I know, but you said 3-2 to Hammarby.
Yeah, which is quite bad because we're AIK fans.
You might want to be quiet. So we've got a great view. Pyrotechnics, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to European football. I actually don't even know if it's kicked off. I can't see a thing. Alright, so it was like almost 15 minutes delayed because of the pyrotechnics. But kickoff is upon us. Right, Hammarby just hit the post. First 10 minutes, still 0-0. This is a wild atmosphere, not gonna lie. It's kind of what I expected in a good way. And we're in a neutral area, so I don't really know what my port of call is going to be when there's a goal for either team. So I'm enjoying being a neutral spectator. Frukost.
What?
Breakfast. All right, so we're in the Hammarby end, and there's a penalty. Big moment this, and it's against the run of play as well. Hammarby have started far the better of the two teams. Big moment in the Swedish league season right now. I think he's going to score. That is the worst penalty I've ever seen. That is the pressure in front of the Hammarby fans. They got to him. What a dreadful penalty. There's a lot of fouls starting to fly in now, a few cards being shown. So AIK are 4 points clear of Hammarby. They've only lost one game all season. But the way they're playing, they've not started well at all, and the penalty miss. You wouldn't think that from watching the first 20 minutes of this game. Free kick on the edge of the area. What are they saying?
If it's a free kick or a pen.
Wait, they just announced that on the thing?
No, they didn't. Oh, he just said it's the 29th minute.
Why?
I played in 29 minutes.
Seb Larsson, someone we all know, over the free kick. Can he do what he's done in the Premier League and put this in the top corner? Ooh! Another free kick. I've lost count of how many cards there have been. Alex against Liverpool, rifled in the top corner. Come on. Sebastian Larsson. He's rolled it off. We got the Alex. Oh. All right then, half time. 0-0. It's been entertaining, to say the least. I think it's a very nervy game. Obviously, it's top of the table clash. towards the end of the season. Well, there's like 9 games left. I said 0-0 as my first prediction. At the moment, it could be 0-0 because the finishing's been poor. Hammarby have had the best chances, but nothing to separate them. This guy's been getting it the whole game. Yes, mate. It's down our end. Poor corner again. Hammarby have just scored. Has it been disallowed? What's going on? I think it's been disallowed.
Wasn't that a goal?
Apparently not. So I thought deservedly so, Hammarby had taken the lead. They've probably been the better of the two teams, and I think it might have been offside. All drama. Chelsea game finished 0-0 as well, so if this finishes 0-0, this could be a complete disaster. We've got some more flares. The AIK fans are clearly very happy because the goal was disallowed.
They said yeah, it was a goal, but they rejected it, whatever it's called.
Offside, man.
Offside.
That goal was offside. Goal. AIK have scored 1-0 against the run of play.
Good job.
I'm going to put the name of the player on the screen because I actually don't know who it was. Good finish into the top corner. I'd say it's a little bit undeserved, but they've only lost 1 out of 21 games all season, and this is their second biggest home crowd ever in this stadium. And you can now hear it. Wow. Please don't spill your beer.
Good job. Hey.
Stuck in traffic. I wonder what tea. Do you want to get the one that's like chamomile and honey? Oxkåt, kyckling and grönsaker. Oxtail, chicken and something else.
Vegetables.
You're just filming that for the thrill of it. So the game finished AIK 1, Hammarby 0. It was a interesting game of football. I think that you could tell that at this stage of the season, it's like 2/3 of the way through. It's at that point where games now won or lost are huge in the title race. It's now a 7-point gap at the top of the table. And I think a draw would have been a fair result today. I think Hammarby forced more saves out of the AIK. I'm saying it correctly now, yeah?
AIK.
AIK.
You can say Gnaget too.
Gnaget.
Yeah.
How the hell does AIK turn to Gnaget?
I have no idea.
Me neither. Great experience. My first game in Sweden is a derby. Threw it in at the deep end. Your dad is a big supporter, so I think he enjoyed himself.
Yeah. And it was a really good atmosphere, I think.
It was a great atmosphere. It was good to sort of be above the away fans because it gave you some perspective as to how loud the home fans were, because obviously the away fans sounded louder because we were above them and with them. So yeah, there was a lot of chanting going on. It was a great experience. And
Fun.
I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I want to do more videos like this one where we're going to games here in Sweden, where I'm like putting myself in situations to show you the culture here. We've had a good day today. We've been to so many football games together now. Do you like
One
it?
Swedish one.
Yes.
Yeah, I like it, but funnily enough, I prefer the English games because I know the players.
Me too.
Because you taught me the players' names.
Yeah.
Like Drew,
Olivier Giroud.
William, Loftus-Cheek, Hazard, and then I know Mohamed Salah, but that's not Chelsea. That's Liverpool, right?
Yes, it is. But anyway, it's been a great day today. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. We are here for like another 5 days, 6 days. So we're going to go up to Utby in Dalarna again. So we're going to go and film some cool vlogs in the Swedish countryside. I've got my drone with me as well, which is going to be really fun this time. So I should be able to get some cool shots and make some cool cinematic videos, as well as showing you guys around a little bit. Be sure to follow us on Instagram. That is where we post most of our stuff if it isn't one of these videos. Mine is on the screen now. Tilda's is on the screen now. So links in the description. We will see you hopefully tomorrow, if not the day after, with another video.
No.
Goodbye.
We will see you. We will see you in the next vlog. Goodbye. I need to get my own, like, my personal
Sign off.
goodbye.
You
Okay,
do.
okay.
So you tried to kick it and that didn't work, so you just did this instead. Let's go on.
I'll work on that. Goodbye, goodbye.